Hey everyone, this is just a rather quick video. Those are just some High-G Life product pigments right there, nothing special about them. And the base coat that I put on there for the tint was just regular Rust-oleum house paint, and it sold like crazy. So not a stone coat product or anything like that. I just I thought, man, I'm like, wow, this regular house paint sells like crazy. And I was like, holy cow. But when you're mixing this in and you use that for a tint, I would say less is more, just enough so your stick is, you can't see through it. You can't see the wood grain or, the plastic, whatever you're using. And then just swipe with normal wax paper and heat it up with a torch. That's how I got those cells right there. So thought I'd share this with everyone, and super easy way to do it. So, okay, you guys, if you like this video and you like what I'm saying, just like and subscribe. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.